In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads Keyword Planner. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find quality keywords, evaluate their potential, organize them for ad groups, and forecast results before you spend a dollar. Start by logging into your Google Ads account. Once you're in, look toward the top of the interface for the tools icon. It looks like a small wrench. Open it, then go to the planning section. From there, choose Keyword Planner. This is your hub for discovering new keyword ideas and understanding how valuable they might be for your campaigns. On the Keyword Planner home screen, select Discover New Keywords. This option helps you find terms related to your products, services, or website. You can type in a few seed ideas, simple phrases your customers might use, or paste your website to let Google scan it for relevant topics. Keep your inputs broad but relevant to start. You can refine later. If needed, check your location and language settings so the results match where you want to advertise. When your results load, focus on 3 columns to judge keyword value. Average monthly searches shows demand, higher numbers indicate more interest. Competition reflects how many advertisers are bidding on those terms. It's a directional indicator of difficulty. Top of page bid ranges estimate what advertisers typically pay for prominent placements. They hint at commercial intent. Higher bids often mean stronger potential to drive revenue. Don't overlook long tail phrases with modest volume. They can be cheaper and more specific, leading to better conversion rates. To clean up your list, use filters. You can set a minimum search volume, say greater than 50, to remove terms that are too small to move the needle. You can also exclude irrelevant words with text filters, adjust location and language, or limit results to specific timeframes to spot seasonality. This is where you trim noise and surface keywords that fit your goals and budget. Next, switch to Group View. This shows how Google clusters related keywords, which is incredibly helpful for building tightly themed ad groups. Use these clusters as a starting point for organizing your campaigns and aligning ad copy and landing pages for stronger relevance and quality score. Finally, use the forecast feature. Add selected keywords to your plan, then review projected clicks, impressions, costs, and if you have conversion data set up, potential conversions. Adjust the bid or budget slider to see how performance might change. Treat these as directional estimates to guide planning and prioritize your best opportunities. That's it. Log in, navigate to Keyword Planner, discover, evaluate, filter, group, and forecast. Follow this flow, and you'll build smarter campaigns with confidence.